All right, you seen that title in the thumbnail, so you already know what's on the menu today. Sometimes your boy get him a little sweet tooth and he decides to do something about it. And since I had some bananas that were about to go bad, you know what I said? I'm finna try something different. I'm gonna show you guys how to make banana bread brownies. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. So to get started, we're gonna go over our ingredients. And remember, you can find these ingredients on my website, ijustcookalot.com, and also allwingseverything.com. Either one will take you straight to the recipe. Right here we have our bananas. Now you wanna make sure your bananas are going bad for this particular recipe, because once they start going bad, they get sweeter. So it gives you that sweet taste to it. And not only that, the older the banana is, it's easier to mash for this particular recipe. So right here we have our sugar, flour, butter, eggs, brown sugar, unsweetened cocoa. You wanna make sure you use unsweetened cocoa, baking soda, milk, more melted butter, cinnamon, sugar, and we have some vanilla extract. Now I didn't have the brown vanilla extract, so I'm using white vanilla extract. I don't think it's gonna be much of a difference. So if you got brown vanilla extract or regular vanilla extract, you can use that. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our bananas. We're gonna put them in a bowl here, and we're gonna grab a spoon. And if you got a masher, you can just start mashing these babies. And guys, while you're doing this, go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees so that baby can be ready. And you want to make sure you mix this until it's smooth. And you're going to have a few small lumps in it, but don't worry about that. You pretty much want that baby to look like this. All right, once you get those bananas all mashed up like this, you want to take your butter right here, and you want to add it here. And you want to get that mixed in as well. All right, so once you get that butter incorporated in here, you're going to take your granulated sugar, your white sugar, you're going to add it here, along with your brown sugar and your vanilla extract. And we're going to get this mixed in here as well. And once you get that incorporated in here, you're going to go in 1 egg at a time. All right, we're gonna take our last egg. We're gonna go in with our last egg. And as well, we're gonna get that whisked in. All right, guys, once you get that mixed in, now understand, like I told you, you're gonna see some small lumps in there like this right here. That right there is okay. And what makes this okay is it gives the brownie that additional texture and that additional flavor. All right, when you bite into it. All right, so now we're gonna sit this aside. We're gonna take our flour, add it here. Our cocoa powder, baking soda, our salt, and our ground cinnamon. And we're just gonna get that baby whisked in here like this as well, just until it's fully incorporated. Sounds like my oven is preheated, it's ready to go. Pretty much, which is right on time. We're almost there. It's a really quick and easy recipe. We're gonna bring our banana mixture back over here, and we're gonna slowly take our dry mixture and add it here to our wet mixture. Getting it mixed in. Now we're gonna get that mixed in until it's fully incorporated. And guys, you wanna make sure you scrape the bottom of your bowl too, just to make sure you get all that flour that's settled at the bottom incorporated as well. All right, so your mixture should look like this right here. All right, so once you get that incorporated, you're gonna fold in your milk now. We didn't forget about the milk. We're gonna get that mixed in as well. All right, so it looks like we're good right here. So now what you can also do in this step right here is you can add some chocolate chips, semi-sweet chocolate chips to this if you want. I don't have any. I've done it before. Yeah, it's a preference. I typically like my brownies without chocolate chips, but I just tried it because my daughter wanted it, so I did it. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna move this aside. So we're gonna bring over a baking pan. And this is while I got this butter sitting here on the side. If you got some cooking spray, you can do that. But I didn't have any, so I'm gonna use some of this butter. We're gonna take our mixture, make sure it's all mixed in, and we're just going to pour it here in this pan like this. That's looking good. Take a look at that, guys. That looks good. All right, so now you're saying, what are you gonna do with that butter? Well, this addition of butter right here, because we want that baby buttery, we're just gonna add it to the top here like this. All right, we're gonna stick this in the oven for 30 minutes. And of course, you already know, once it's done, you can stick a toothpick in it, you pull it out, it's clean, you're good to go, all right? So let's stick it in the oven on 350 degrees for 30 minutes. All right, guys, so we're 30 minutes in. Guys, take a look at that. Woo. Before we cut into it, I called the audible, guys. I just had to. And I decided to make a topping to go on top of the brownies. I'll leave the ingredients to that in the video description as well if you want to add a topping to your brownies. While the brownies are warm, you want to go ahead and pour this over the top like this. So we're gonna let this sit here and cool down for about 10 to 15 minutes before we cut into it, all right? All right, guys, the time has come. It's quality control time. We've allowed the brownies to cool and those brownies to absorb their topping. So the only thing we're gonna do now is we about to cut into this thing because I need to see what this baby about. So we're just gonna grab us a fork and we gonna see what's going on. Take it off. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. This is delicious. Listen. Now you know what to do with those old bananas. Don't throw them away. Make this banana bread brownie. Man. Oh man. Listen. Ice cream, perfect with that. That blueberry vanilla, you got you some, guys. Hey, definitely, you gotta try this out. So, until then, y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything, and remember, him not a chef, him just cook a lot, and I'm out. Peace.